For a condition like biliary colic or acute cholecystitis, conservative treatment is the option available for us. You can plan for early cholecystectomy or interval cholecystectomy later on, but we'll be discussing about early, interval, and late cholecystectomy. But initially, the option available is the conservative treatment. So first you have to do the NPO status of the patient is very much important. You should maintain the IV line, and you should put the patient on fluids and at least 3 liters of the fluid in 24 hours. And then you can have a good antibiotic cover, like the broad spectrum antibiotic, like ciprofloxacin group or cefazolin or cefuroxime, the second, third, and fourth generation cephalosporins, and which are the broad spectrum, and ciprofloxacin, a gram-negative cover, should be given. And you can combine it with a flagella as well, which is a gram anaerobic and gram-negative cover. And good analgesia of the patient should be administered. So this is actually the conservative treatment. And the repetition of the test is very much important, because the total leukocytic count and the clinical condition, they will tell you if your conservative treatment is helping your patient or not. But if the patient is reporting to you with multiple episodes of biliary colic and acute cholecystitis, then you can do the early cholecystectomy, or especially in case of diabetes. The patients who are known diabetic, there is a chance that there's an empyema of the gallbladder can be formed, or there can be perforation. So these complications can develop. So for that, it is recommended that you should do the early cholecystectomy when the patient is just stabilized and out of the acute episode, like within 5 to 7 days of the admission. Or some conditions, in some conditions when the patient is not diabetic and not immunocompromised, and there's a lesser chance of the gallbladder empyema or a perforation, and the patient is responding to your therapy, then you can actually send your patient home, and you should give your patient 6 weeks, a time interval of 6 weeks, so that the inflammation is settled completely, and then you can call him up for surgery, and that is called interval cholecystectomy. And in some conditions, you can do a late cholecystectomy, and then there is no history of repeated biliary colics or repeated episodes of acute cholecystitis, then you can do the late cholecystectomy. So for acute cholecystitis, conservative treatment, and after giving a conservative treatment for 5 to 7 days, you should go for early cholecystectomy in the patients who have a more chance to develop complications. And you can do the interval cholecystectomy after 6 weeks, or you can do a late cholecystectomy. So the conservative treatment, NPO status is important, IV fluids is important, hydration is very, very much important, good analgesia and good antibiotics like cefazolin, cefuroxime, and ciprofloxacin should be given to these patients.